I want to take a few minutes of reminding you of some of the funding opportunities that are available through the Osher Center. And I'll be very brief, but we have three in particular that I want to mention. One is our core pilot research grants, and Olivia mentioned before that her pilot study was supported by this and it led to an NIH grant, and that can't make us any happier. So this is something we do annually. It's seed funding for projects in integrative medicine around the themes of mind, body, musculoskeletal health and healthy aging. It's open to anyone within the HMS community at the instructor level above. It's open to people outside the community as long as they can find a partner to collaborate with as the PI. We give up to 4 grants a year that range between $25,000 and $33,000. So we have a $100,000 budget that we love to give away to promising ideas. And the RFA for this will be launched in January 15th, where you can send in a letter of intent to submit a grant. All this information is in great detail on our website, but I just want to remind you about that. We also have a postdoctoral fellowship. This is an innovative program that Helen thought about for cross-system integration between research groups, particularly at the postdoctoral level. So you have to assemble a faculty that is represented by people across different divisions or different specialties, which means at least a couple times a year these people start to talk to each other around the project of the student themselves. It's open to the Hills student program, so you have to be on the quad and part of the Integrated Life Sciences program, and we have 2 awards each year for up to $12,000, which includes some travel funds and things like that. And that admissions cycle is rolling and open, so please contact us if you have some interest in those areas. And then finally, we have this innovative short-term opportunity, and it's what we call our scholarly project, and it's a sponsored mentorship program that's open for students who are in the Harvard Medical School, and it's supported by a philanthropist that's asked us to think big. So not just how do we help certain people with a certain condition in a certain area, but she said, what if you step back and said, what's something disruptive and big you can think about that would change the health of Boston as a whole, and who would you bring to the table for that? And so we had a really nice first student who did some work on disparities and looking at what creates stress in different neighborhoods across Boston. And then we've decided we want to really get big, and we want to start to explore, can we really think about integrative medicine without thinking about the big picture, climate change, and how that's affecting our city and impacting us. So think globally, maybe act extremely locally. So we're looking for a really innovative and bright student in the medical school that wants to just start thinking of a project that can start to kindle thoughts around this very, very big idea.